Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Miss Chan's Science Fun at Home. Today we're experimenting with air. You will need an empty can and a mug. Don't forget your pencil and paper for any notes and observations you make. Before we begin, let's go over some safety tips. Take a look at your mug for any cracks or chips. If there are any cracks or chips in your mug, take it to your nearest adult for safe disposal. We want to be mindful that we keep our hands away from the opening of the can where there can be sharp edges. Also, make sure your can is completely empty so there's no spills. On to the experiment. The first step is to place the can in the mug. Second, blow into the mug. What do you think will happen if I blow with a light force into the mug? Go ahead and write or draw your predictions. What you think will happen when I blow with a light force into the mug. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. What did you observe? Continue blowing into the mug, adjusting the strength of your airflow. What do you think will happen if I blow with a heavy force into the mug? Go ahead and write and draw your predictions. What you think will happen when I blow with a heavy force into the mug. What did you observe? Air likes to move from high pressure to low pressure. Blowing into the mug creates an area of high pressure between the bottom of the can and inside the mug. The harder you blow inside the mug, the faster the air pressure increases between the two surfaces. As the air pressure inside the mug increases, the air pressure outside the mug stays the same, creating a difference in air pressure. This difference in air pressure pushes the empty can up and out, like a jump. For those of you who would like a challenge, you'll need a second mug. Try and get the can from one mug into the other. Yes! Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.